32 Roadster fans. Here we have a 1932 Ford Roadster. Now this particular vehicle is a Dearborn Deuce all-steel body. So this will have the convertible top that will unfold out of the hatch. It also has power windows in it, so it can be sealed up driving down the road. This particular vehicle was built by Roger Berman, who's a very renowned street rod and ride builder out of Rockwell City, Iowa. Started the business Lakeside Rods and Rides back in the late 80s. Does a lot of custom stuff, and the quality shows. Now, if you want to check this over, so you can look at the still pictures, see the underside, take a good look over the still pictures, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, as you can see, front suspension, front rotors, all chromed. Very nice setup. Rear suspension, IRS, does have two rotors back there also. Style rear end where you have the differential, and the rotors will be right up by the differential, so you won't see them out in the wheel well or in the wheels. And when I get around back there, I'll show you that also. So very nice setup suspension wise. Now, as far as power goes, 350 Chevy small block under the hood of this one, and that does have a 671 blower on it, estimated at 450 to 475 horse. Also has AC set up on it, vintage AC system to it, and just a beautiful kind of bright orange tangerine paint to it. And you can see, look at how straight all these lines are, how evenly gapped they are. You can tell this car is built and put together right. Now that engine is a new engine, a little over 300 miles on it. You can figure probably anywhere from 300 to 600 miles on it. Car itself, I believe, shows about 33,000 on it since it was built. We'll take a look at that. It has an odometer in it. BDO gauges were put in when it was built. Custom interior here. Kind of see the, I would say, Stingray kind of design on it. Now there are also power switches right behind the seat back here for each of them. There is a lumbar support that is down in the backrest of that seat. And yeah, overdrive transmission, shifter up on the column, so you get a 700 R4 paired up with that. 350 Chev V8 underneath the hood. There's your BDO gauges, and your simple vintage air setup. A very nice, classy style interior. And again, at the still pictures, you can see this will pop open right here, kind of like a Corvette convertible, where this is going to pop up. Convertible top will swing out, hook up front. Black cloth convertible top, also in very nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this rod to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in. Now again, here you can see where I'm talking back here. You don't get the look of the rotor through the wheel well. Rotor's tucked up each side of the differential in the back, so that's how they hook up the brakes on these. And again, you can see a lot better pictures on our website from the underside of this car. French tin taillights. These are American Racing wheels, by the way. 20 inches in the rear and 17s in the front. BF Goodrich tires in the back, and I believe it was Michelin's up front. But you can see how just nice and finished off this is. Again, evenly. Take a look at how that door gap is and how even that is. Straight body panels. Beautiful paint on it. Gas filler hole right here. Trunk's also functional. Now, as far as Popping the door, I'm going to show you. The windows on this are power. There's power window switches underneath where that AC control is. And then there's also a key fob that a button will run the windows up and down on. So you could have the top up and button the windows up and roll them down with a remote key fob. Here's your door opener right here. Lift that up, pops the door. We also have the tonneau cover in the trunk. This would be the tonneau cover on the inside here, and the trunk here on the right. So those are your pop releases for those. Hood is right up here. Headlights and hood release. We're going to start it up. I'm going to show you that hood. Again, I'm going to show you that engine under the hood. Again, 350 with a 671 blower on it. Let's go ahead and fire this up, and we'll check out how it sounds. We'll take a look underneath that hood.